In Canada, when it comes to innovation, we really struggle with something called the loading dock approach. Researchers tend to do a lot of research, drop it off, and then just go hands off and expect policymakers and regulators to kind of craft that into something. Events like this really help us work hand in hand and in tandem to coming up with effective public policy, and that's really what's important here.
I think we at the Toronto Regional Board of Trade want to start a movement in the business community towards accelerating the adoption of advanced technologies in the service sector, but also the manufacturing sector.
Bringing those different thought leaders to the table can help illuminate some of the ethical concerns and risks very quickly. So it's really important.
The more that we can get some of the legislators to understand this technology, the better they can come up with ways to regulate and deploy them in a useful situation.
Innovation has always created net jobs. We heard the same kind of concern with grocery scanners. Those grocery scanners are being designed, engineered, and built here in Ontario by thousands of employees. Again, a net increase in the amount of employees.
We truly believe mobility will be front and center in the next 5 years with the electrification of everything.
We would hope to be able to take all of those cars that are currently doing deliveries off the road and hopefully free up our public space and right-size the vehicles that we're using.
There's over 1,000 remote communities in Canada, 600 of them are Indigenous, and for them to be able to have access to critical supplies that normally they would take a long time to get there is to me quite groundbreaking.
I would encourage policymakers, especially here in Canada, to really think about open innovation and the importance of that.